When you're printing your embroidery pattern, never do this. Welcome to Epida Studio. My name is Elizabeth and I help you make beautiful things with quilting, embroidery, and embroidery. So if you've seen lots of my other videos, you'll know I don't very often come out with an absolute or a law that you must follow when you're embroidering. Usually I say things like, if you want this result, this is what you have to do. But if you're happy with what you're doing, then there's no reason to change just because somebody on the internet says that you have to. But this is something that you absolutely will want to follow. And that's when you're printing your embroidery pattern. So this is from my Easy Embroidered Birds pattern. Don't print double-sided. And I know a lot of printers print double-sided, and that's a great option because it saves on paper and it saves on storage space. But if it's your embroidery chart, you don't want to print that double-sided. And I'll show you how. Because you're going to take your embroidery design that looks okay, and you're going to put your fabric so that you can trace your design. But then as soon as you hold it up to a light box or a window, you get both designs coming through. And so that becomes very difficult to be able to trace it. And ask me how I discovered this. I learned from experience. So next time you're printing your embroidery pattern, make sure you do not print double-sided. For more embroidery tips and tutorials, you can check out my website, epidastudio.com.